Hello, Shemai, Croeso Amser, Cylch. Welcome back to Circle Time. Hope you're all well and happy. I'm well and happy. Mr. Benny is well and happy, I think. How are you, Mr. Benny? Yeah, Mr. Benny's well and happy. Why have you got sunglasses on, Mr. Benny? We don't need sunglasses on inside. I know it's very sunny outside, but we don't need them on inside. Okay, let's take those off. Right then, Mr. Benny, I've got a little bit of bad news for you. I know you've been waiting for us so that you can be our help or have you, but we have to share being help or have you. So you were help or have you last time, weren't you? So this time we need a new help or have you. Who should we ask? Who's been good today? Let me think. I know. Ble my teddy toot. Dyma fi. Oh, hello, Mr. Teddy Toot. Shwmae, sut wyt ti? Oh, that's marvellous. He says it's very well, thank you. Oh, Mr. Teddy Toot has got his PE kit on. That's a clue for what day it is today. If you can remember, it was quite a while ago, but try and remember what day it is today. We're not going to say, are we? I love your PE kit, Mr. Teddy Toot. It's red and white. Does that mean it's Wales? Who? Manchester United. Who's Manchester United? I won't be joking you. I know another fan. Yes, there's two of you. How lovely. Marvellous. Right, Teddy Toot. Oh my goodness. Look at the mess. What a mess. Mae hi'n amser tacluso. Amser tacluso, you he now, you he now, you he now. Amser tacluso, you he now. Dewch chi helpu. Oh, that's marvellous. Can everybody help us tidy up, please? It's quite a mess on the floor. Mr. Benny, can you go and help tidy up, please? Thank you very much. Oh, marvellous job. Very good at tidying up. Good morning, children. Bore da, sut wyt ti, sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch, da iawn, diolch. Bore da. Oh, we need your spectacles. These will do today. Same as what we had last week. These are our helpful healthy glasses. Oh, they fit you a little bit too big, but never mind. Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Pwy sydd yma heddiw? Gadewch I ni gael gweld. Can you see? Can you see who's here today? Great. Well, I know that there's me, you and Mr. Benny. Should we do a little bit of a register? Just a little bit. Are you ready? Ble my Mr. Benny? Ble my Mr. Benny? Ble my Mr. Benny? Yma. My Mr. Benny yma. My Teddy Toot yma. And my Miss Anita yma. Our ffrindiau. All of our friends at home are with us today too. How lovely. Right, let's get you sitting comfortably. And then we can begin. Right, we had a clue earlier on about what day it was. It comes the day after Tuesday and the day before Thursday. And it's the day that we have PE. Can you remember? I'm going to give you a clue. Are you ready, Teddy Toot? Let's do our song in English first. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So, Mr. Benny, do you know what day it is today? Tuesday. It was Tuesday when you were helpful heddiw, so it was Tuesday the other day, not today, yesterday. Do you know what day it is today, Teddy Toot? Saturday. Let's try again. I'll give you the balloon to hold. That makes things much easier, doesn't it? Are you ready? Have you got your listening ears on like Mr. Benny did last week? Here's your ears, okay? Are you ready? It's this day today. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Now then, Miss Anita forgot to give you a clue then, didn't she? No, it's not Monday. I'm going to give it a big clue this time. Let's help together. Let's help. Can we help Teddy Took children at home? Can you help him? Are you ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Whoops. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Now then, Teddy Tut, what day is it today? Wednesday! It's Wednesday! Whoa, Wednesday today. Right, so we've got that in English. We know it's Wednesday. Pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw. Do you remember that? That's Welsh. Pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw. Wednesday doesn't want to stay today. Okay. Try out this one for me. Are we ready? Are you listening? Listen carefully. Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher. Dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray. Was you listening? Dydd Merched. Merched, that's a different word. Merched means girl. This is dydd Mercher. Mercher. Let's try again. Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher. Dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, hooray. Pa ddiwrnod yw hi heddiw, Teddy Tut? Mercher. Oh, amazing. You're listening so well. That's marvellous. So it's Wednesday. Wednesday, and it's dydd Mercher. Wednesday, dydd Mercher. Wednesday, dydd Mercher. Da iawn. Did you remember that one, Mr. Benny? Excellent. Excellent job. Marvellous job. And that's not going to stick, so I'm going to put that back there for now. Okay, so this morning, Teddy Tut, Mr. Benny came into the classroom with sunglasses on. So let's have a wonder what the weather could be like if he's wearing sunglasses. Have a choose. Can you help me at home, children? What's the weather like today? Is it raining? Raining? Is it cloudy? Awyr las, blue skies, my hun, heulog. It is sunny. Can we see the sun? It is sunny, and look how happy he is because the sun's shining. Lovely. It's not this. Ooh. Dim bwrw glaw. Dim bwrw eira. It's beautiful. And look at this lovely rainbow. An envis. We get an envis, a rainbow, when we mix the sun. And it rains as well. But today it's really nice and warm and hot. So we need our suntan lotion on again today, children, if you're going outside in the garden. Miss Anita's going to go off for a walk with Teddy Tut later, aren't we? Might go for a walk along the prom for our hour's exercise. Marvellous. I can't wait for that. Okay, who remembers what sound we did last week? It's a little bit tricky, isn't it? Because it's quite a while ago. I wonder if you can remember. Right then, Teddy Tut, can you sit there for a minute? Can you still see him, children? There we are. You need to help me, Teddy Tut, because I can't remember what sound we did last week. Can you remember? I do remember now. I remember it had something to do with a snake being in the grass. Here's our Jolly Phonics book. Do you remember our Jolly Phonics book? Right. let's just see if we can remember our first sound. Are you ready, Teddy Tut? Can you see there? Do you want to go and sit with Mr. Benny? No. Okay, you stay there then. You have to keep watching and learning, okay? Listening all the time. This was the one. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Did you remember that one? Can you do that maybe with your magic pencil in the air? Can we try? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Diane, Teddy Tut, you're very clever. And do you remember the words that started with that sound? We had a stick, we had the sun, and we had the sky. Marvellous. Did you remember that one? Did you do some practicing at home? Good. This is our new sound of the week. Oh, look, I like this one. The story to this one, let's see if I can get all the whole pages in so you can see it. It says, the family are having a picnic. Oh, I love picnics. They sit down and spread out their lovely lunch. What can we see? Jam, 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 busy bees. And what else they're having? Oh, some pop and some cake, Ken. They start eating. This is a very nice picnic, very nice picnic, Mr. Teddy Tut. Look at them eating. They've got apples and all sorts. The little girl feels a tickle on her arm. Tickle, tickle. Can you tickle your arm? Can you tickle your arm, Mr. Benny? Can you tickle your arm, Teddy Tut? She looks down and says, ants. Oh, there's ants on my arm. Oh no. Look at the ants on the little girl's arm. Look. Oh my goodness, no wonder she was having a tickly. They've come for the jam and they've come for the sandwich. And look at Mummy smiling. Mummy's happy having a picnic, isn't she? Right, there actually is a song to this as well. Can you remember it? Can you join in and help me? Can you remember it, Mr. Teddy Tut and Mr. Benny? All join in together. Ready? You need to get tickly ants on your arm. I'm ready to get my tickly ants on my arm. Are you ready? Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Ooh, And this is how we do an We start at the top. We go round, 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 round. Oh, don't keep going round anymore because we're going to go straight up, right to where we started from. Keep your pencil on the same line, coming back down, all the way down to the bottom, and a little tiny tail. Bit tricky, should we do it again? Start at the top, come all the way round, all the way round, all the way round, all the way round the bend, round the bend, round the bend. Oh, wait a minute, we're not going round anymore, we're going to go up, straight up to the top, come straight back down, and a little tail. Marvellous. We're going to be experts at this, aren't we? There's some more words on this page actually. I can see an A for apple. Where's the apple? Can you help me? Where's the apple? Is it there? Can you shout? Oh, there's a snake there. There's a snake in the grass there. There's an ant. Oh, I see an A. Where's the apple? Tell me. Can you shout when you see it? There it is! There it is! Wonderful. Right, now we've got to try and find a man. Oh, a man? Does that start with A? No, but there's an A in the middle of it. It's A, A, Somebody told me, while I was making my phone calls, somebody's mummy told me that he was reading. Oh my goodness, you're reading! I'm so proud of you. I'm going to phone you again soon. Listen. Man. Where's the man? Is he here? Is that a man? Is that a man? Oh, is that a man? Oh, there's another apple there. Oh, man, where are you? Where are you, man? Maybe he's the other side. Where's the man? There? No. Rabbit? No. Does that start with that? No. There's the apple. Where's the man? There he is. There's the man. And he's got some drink there. And he's got an ant on his shoulder. Well, I thought the ants were on the arm. Should we do the song again? Are you ready? Get your ants on your arm. 1, 2, 3. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Well, that was really, really, really exciting. Now we know 2 sounds. I'm just going to write them down like we did last week. See if you can remember how to do this. Just find my pen. Oh my goodness, everything's gone missing. Teddy Tut, where's my pen? What have you done with my pen, Teddy Tut? Oh, those ants have taken our pen. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, Miss Nita, lost your pens. Oh no, look. I found it. Hooray. Did you hide it, Teddy Tut? Did you hide my pen? Oh my goodness. Right then. This is the snakes in the grass sound. Are you ready? Start at the top. Big round. Come back, come back. Oh, round the other way, round the other way, round the other way. And stop at the bottom. Snake. What was the one we learnt today? Can't hear you. What was it? Are you ready? Do you remember how I shown you how to do the Start at the top. We go round. Oh, it looks like we're doing a, but we're not. We're going around, 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 around. We're going to stop there. Go up in a straight line to where we started. Up, and down, and a little tail. Just need to missed a bit there. Never mind. And together. We are so clever. Can you practice those? Do you know what you could do for me? Plus Creek Nursery have got a Twitter account, and this video will go onto the Twitter account. I would love it if you can do as many s and and pictures and things that start with like a snake or the sun or the sky, or what else? Socks. What else? Sausage. Sausage? You can draw a sausage if you want to draw a sausage. And then we've got what words can we have? What pictures can we draw with words for apple, yeah. Wow, that's a big word. Ambulance. Could you draw an ambulance? That's a bit tricky, but hey ho. See if you can do as many beautiful pictures as you can and put them all onto our Twitter. That would be amazing, wouldn't it, Teddy Tut? Yeah, that would be really good. Okay, so it's time for us to go now. Mr. Benny's back. Oops, let's stretch it. There we go. Mr. Benny's here and Teddy Tut's here, and we're all going to say goodbye. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr, hwyl fawr.